It's so easy to grab a bag of potato chips for an afternoon snack or throw it in your kids' lunch. But an incredibly delicious alternative is this trail mix with Medjool dates. It's easy to make. You can prep it for the week and just toss it in a baggie for on-the-go snacks. This fresh take on trail mix is sure to please the entire house. Move over potato chips. This trail mix is here to stay. So in a bowl, combine Natural Delights Medjool dates, 2 cups square-shaped cereal, 1 cup almonds, 1 cup of raisins, 1 cup of banana chips, 1 cup dried apricots, and give it a stir. I use my hands sometimes. They look so pretty. I just like to store it in an airtight container like this, or even in the little baggies, like I said before. Don't miss a single great tip to date it up during the week. Hit the subscribe button below. Do it! Parfaits are so popular because they make yogurt an art, and nothing complements yogurt like Natural Delights Medjool dates. This dish is a perfect combination of sweet and tangy flavors, and it's an excellent source of nutrients such as protein, fiber, and vitamins. Greek yogurt, dates, orange, is your mouth watering yet? This easy to make dish is healthy and delicious. It gives you the right energy to tackle your day. Start by combining the orange rind, orange juice, and yogurt in a bowl. I'm adding in the maple syrup and vanilla, stir everything up. And now I just layer the yogurt, nuts, and dates, top with a little orange zest. Ooh! Never miss a Medjool Monday and click subscribe to stay informed. Oh my gosh.